Hi everyone, happy Valentine's Day. Today we're gonna make this Valentine Tic Tac Toe set. Start opening. So, that's it. Wow. This is from the Home Depot, the kids workshop, and we got a badge. Now do you see what this contains? We're going to make this. This is the finished example. So in the bottom we have the instructions, and it's so easy to make. So we got the screws, the sides. So we have two sides. This is the front, this is the back, which is the bottom. Okay, this is the bottom. And we have one sticker sheet. We got Valentine's Day colors, and they are stickers. Valentine's Day colors. We have a game board, a diaper board, 10 game pieces. Of course, just a badge. Now, let's begin our craft. That's it. Now we're done with one. Let's do it for the other one. Now we're almost done. Now we're ready for the second step. Like this. Now we're finished with the first one. Then we're going to do the same thing with this. Now we're going to add this. So once again, I'm telling you that we're done with the base. Yeah, now we're going to make the game board. So I'm looking at step 3. Turn the project upside down. Yeah, we need a bottom. I get it. To put the 8 short nails in this. Now we're fixing the short nails. One by one. We finished the wall base. Third to fourth step. We're almost there. Now we're gonna use these other pieces, and we could put the stickers too. We have one pink sticker, and these all are the heart and X's. First we're gonna do is for the game pieces. Now we have our love symbol. Here's another one. Here we go. This is another heart. So my base is ready. I put the Home Depot sticker because the base is ready. Let's put them all. If you guys want to color, you can color any color you want, but Valentine's Day theme, I'm gonna color mines later, the base and all. So let's put this pink sticker. Ugh, it's so giant. Kept the pink sticker in our divider board. It's like a throne. Now I kept my game board and my divider board. That was my Tic Tac Toe Valentine's Day Home Depot kit. And since we completed this Tic Tac Toe kit, now I'm ready to wear this badge. And now I kept my badge in my Home Depot apron. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.